Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Febri Pratama, NPM 244111040, kelas manajemen 24A, matkul statistika ekonomi. Understanding central tendency, unveiling data as core. Every dataset, no matter how complex, has a center, a single value that summarizes the entire distribution. This precision divides into the measures of central tendency, the fundamental statistical tools used to find that core value. Mastering central tendency is the first step toward effective data analysis and insightful decision making. What is central tendency? Defining the heart of your data. Central tendency refers to a statistical measure that attempts to describe an entire set of data with a single value that represents the center of typical value of the distribution. Purpose to provide a concise summary of the dataset and help locate where most of the values in a distribution file. Key measures. The three primary measures employed in this presentation are that mean, median, and mode, as offer a unique perspective on the center of the data. Significance. Understanding these measures is critical for comparing different datasets, spotting trends, and making informed assumptions about a population. The average storyteller. The mean of the sample called the average is the most common measure of central tendency. It is calculated by summing all the values in a dataset and dividing the sum by the total number of values. Strength of the mean. It utilizes every value in the dataset, providing a comprehensive summary. It is widely understood and is often the most intuitive measures. It forms the basis for many advanced statistical calculations. The mean is the center of gravity of distribution, making it insensitive to extreme values or outliers. The median, the middle ground narrator. The median is the median value in the dataset when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. It divides the data into two equal halves with of the values lying above it and below it. To find the median, first sort your data. If the number of observations is odd, the median is the single middle number. If int is even, the median is the average of two middle numbers. Robust against outliers. The median is greatest strength is its resistance to extreme values. Unlike the mean, a very high or very low number will not scale the median significantly, making it ideal for skewed distribution like income data. Ease of interpretation is provides a clear point. Half the population is above this number and half is below. This makes it particularly useful when discussing distribution like test score or housing prices. The model, the most frequent tally. The model is the value that appears most frequently in the dataset. It is the only measure of central tendency that can be used with nominal categorical data used as color or names, where calculating a mean or median is impossible. Categorical data. The model is essential for non-numeric data. For example, if surveying favorite is cream flavor, The model identifies the most popular choice. Distribution shape. A dataset can have one model, unimodal, two model, bimodal, or more multimodal. If all numbers are with the same frequency, the dataset has no model. Limitation. The model always reflects the center where it can be fair from the mean and median, especially in highly skewed distribution. When to use with causing the rig measures. The quiz of central tendency measure depend heavily on the type of data you have and the presence of outlier. Making the wrong choice can lead to misleading conclusion. Use the mean when the data is significantly distributed on several scale, and you need to include every data point in the calculation. Example: average height of student. Use the median when the data is skewed or can contain significant outliers. It provides a true measure of the typical value in the closest case. Example: median household income. Use the model when you are working with categorical data or need to identify the most frequency observation or preference. Example: the most popular brand or coffee. In Mary comprehensive analysis, it is often best practice to report alternative measures to give a full picture of data distribution. Mastering central tendency. Recap NK insight. Central tendency provides the foundational insight needed to describe and compress dataset. By knowing the strengths and weaknesses of the mean, median, and model, you can accurately interpret the health of any data collection. Mean, average, sensitive to outlier, ideal for symmetrical continuous data. Median, middle, robust against extremes, values provided for skewed data. Model, frequent, identifies the most common value, essential for categorical data. Data fluency begins with understanding where the center lies.